Centron in Miss Kaminar's North High School coding class. I'm going to show you how to make a table view. We're not going to use this one because that was the one I was using to learn how to make a table view. So we're going to File, New, you probably know how to do all this. App. I'm going to name it Table View. I'm going to name it 2. You don't need the 2. You can do just Table View. Then Waukesha North. That's where we at. Okay.
Yeah, it's another Mario.
You want to go through the whole making process.
I don't think my mother cares.
Upgrade your phone. Easier than actually upgrading it. I'm gonna go dual screen so I can make this a little easier. And then first, if you want to make a table view, first you got to put in a table view. Surprisingly enough, can't make a table view without a table view. You don't need to. Okay, don't do that. What I like to do is zero constraints. Take out the whole screen. Makes it easier to see. On the right here, first thing you want to do is see this class view controller up here. Oh, actually, first. Outlet. Name it whatever you want. I name it table view. And now, first, we do UI. Ignore stuff you in the background. Table view, delegate. UI, table view, data source. Here it is. This allows us to do the functions that we're going to do later, and also implement data source. See this stuff right now. It's not doing anything. It's because we haven't done anything with it. Now in view data, what you want to do.
Wait, so what do we, Miss Kaminar?
Is
my bad. What do we do
table
for
view,
those next 2
aka what you named outlet. Dot delegate equals self. Now it's implementing the stuff here. Now you want to do table view. Dot. Make sure to keep that the same. View dot data source equals self. Elf. Self. Not Christmas. Now as it does stuff. Should realize maybe. Unless I'm dumb. What did I do wrong? Ooh, yeah, I'm dumb. Okay, never mind. It's gonna be an error until we add the functions, causing it to do the stuff. So what you wanna do? I bring that way down there because we're gonna have to add a little bit of code. We're gonna add a function called. Well, we're just gonna name a table view this. But as you see, a bunch of this stuff pops up. With a bunch of it, we want to choose one called did. Okay, we're gonna actually remove that. Did select. No, never mind. Can't do that. All right, trying to make it easier. Table view. Oh, it's the first one, right? Yeah. Right. Did select. Ah, crap. There's a bunch of did select row there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, never mind. That's good. And for now, we're just gonna put in here. You tapped me. So we can find out if it got tapped. Now that we're a third of the way there, we're gonna do. Yeah, the first one, cool. Alright, it's actually doing the stuff we want. And then this is gonna be how many rows we want. And for this, we're just gonna do, I don't know, 3. So, cool number. And then we're gonna go down here more. I had a lot more space than I needed. We'll go down here. And then we're gonna do func table view. Then it should be cell row out. Usually the first one. Last time it was not. But then in here it's not just gonna be one cool sentence. It's gonna be like cell equals, we need table view. If you can spell better than me. Table view. What would you want to make that? I want to make that uppercase. Then we want something called EQ, which was already on there.
That's coming from you.
And we want the one. Yeah, okay, the one with 4. Make sure it's the one with 4 at the end. I don't know why, but we need the one with 4. And then. Well, okay, this is gonna be. I forgot to do something. I'm not gonna lie. You want to come in here first before you do all this and add a prototype cell. This prototype cell would be like. Look at it. If you click it, it'd be it. Say you're like in the contacts thing in your phone, and you got all the names. That's what this will be. What that is. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this prototype cell. This is the identifier. I'm gonna name it cell because I'm not gonna have many. I'm actually just gonna have this one. That's what this is gonna be. And then index path is literally just index path. Then after that, return. So then it should. There you go. All right. And for that part, it's done. It's nice. So when we after it loads. Oh yeah. Okay, sorry. Mine's weird. I have to like. You probably won't need to do that. When yours runs, it might be okay. But if it shows like a black or white screen like mine, we have to do come in here, background white. Actually, I don't know about. I think this doesn't matter. Clear color. But here, do the background because we don't have any text in it. You can. Now when it runs. Yeah, here the 3 because we had 3. Because this number that we returned here dictates how much that we have. We have 3. When we click them, it'll say in the code, you tempted me. No matter which one you do. So yeah. Look at that. You did it. Congratulations. Now you get to do more stuff, I guess.
Tell Addison that.
So